Namaste children, welcome to the radio. Today we are going to have lots of fun with puzzles and numbers. In this chapter, we will play exciting games with numbers, count objects carefully and discover interesting patterns. We will also learn how to think, observe and solve problems step by step. So children, get ready to use your brain, look closely and enjoy solving these fun puzzles. So let's begin our puzzle adventure. Let's begin with the first activity. Gopal has arranged number cards in the below image and Anaya hide them with balls as shown. Can you recognize the numbers? So children, look carefully at the pattern and try to recognize the numbers. This is a fun way to practice number identification. So children, can you guess which numbers are hiding under the balls? Look carefully at the pattern and try to recognize. So first one is, which one it is? Number 2, then 3, next one 6, next 9, next one it could be 8, then 5, last one is 4. You can also hide the numbers on a number card by using your hands and play this game with your friends. Second one, count the number of locks. Is it 3 locks or 4 locks? Here we see some wooden locks. One child says there are 3 locks and the other says there are 4 locks. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 locks. Counting carefully helps us find the correct answer. Now comes the last activity. This is how Serena set the glasses. Help her in extending the arrangement. So Serena has arranged glasses in a pattern. Now look at how the glasses are stacked. The first one, then more added step by step to form a pyramid shape. Can you continue this pattern? Try to extend it by adding more glasses in the same way. So we practiced recognizing numbers, counting objects and understanding patterns. Find the numbers from 1 to 10. So children, look at the puzzle. We are finding numbers from 1 to 10 hidden in the grid. Can you spot all the number names like 1, 2, 3 and so on? Try to find it out. Next activity is fill the numbers from 1 to 5 in the given balls so that the sum on both the sides is equal. So we have some balls here and we need to fill numbers from 1 to 5, but there is a twist. The sum on both sides should be equal. So we carefully place the numbers to make both sides the same. So I'll give you the answers shortly. Try it. The third one is, Gillu's favorite number is 8. If the answer of the asked question is 8, he becomes happy, and if not, he becomes sad. Ask some questions to Gillu, that has an answer 8 only. Now it's Gillu's favorite part. Gillu loves the number 8. So we ask him questions where the answer is always 8, like 4 plus 4 is, that will give the answer 8, or 10 minus 2, that also will give the answer 8. Every time the answer is 8, Gillu becomes happy. So you should ask more such questions to Gillu. So I'll give you the answer. Here is the answer. So children, today we learned about number names, balancing sums and fun ways to make the number 8. G. Fill triangle, square and circle in the boxes in such a way that any shape occurs only once in a row and column. That is, row means horizontal and column means standing. So in this puzzle we have 3 shapes: triangle, square and circle. We have to fill them in such a way that each shape appears only once in every row and only once in every column. So let's look at one correct way to fill it. First row, we'll fill triangle, then a circle, then a square. Second row we can fill, already one square is there in the center, so we have to fill it with a circle on the left side and a triangle on the right side. Third row, a circle is given at the last box, so we have to fill the other two. First box with a square and middle one with a triangle. So now check carefully, no shape is repeated in any row or column. Perfect. That's the correct arrangement. Next one, take 4 different objects. Each object should be 4, such as 4 buttons, 4 pebbles, 4 seeds, 4 clay balls, etc. Now place them in the given boxes in such a way that every object occurs only once in a row, that is horizontal, and a column, that is vertical, that is standing. So here we take 4 different objects like buttons, pebbles, seeds and clay balls. So we will label them as A, B, C and D. Now we need to place them in the boxes so that each object appears only once in every row and only once in every column. So the first one is, we can write A, B, C, D. Second row, B, C, D, A. Third row, C, D, A, B. And last row, D, A, B, C. Great. Every row and every column has all 4 objects only once. There can be other correct ways to try to find out more. Last one, who am I? A mirror can help you. So this is a mirror puzzle. We need to imagine how the numbers look in a mirror. Look carefully at each number. So the first one becomes, in a mirror how it will appear? Yes, it becomes 25. Second one will be 73. Third one, 52. And the fourth one will be 39. So when we see them in a mirror, the numbers reverse and look different. So the answers are 25, 73, 52 and 39. J. Who am I? First one, I am between 5 and 10. I become 3 more when read upside down. So who am I? So I am a number between 5 and 10 and I become 3 more when read upside down. So which number is that? Yes, it is number 8. Then second question, I am 3 more than 8 and 3 less than 14. 3 more than 8 means 8 plus 3, that is 11, and 3 less than 14. So if you minus 3 from 14, what number you will get? Yes, 11. Next one, I am after 50 and before 54. Sum of my digit is 7. So which number is that? I am after 50 and before 54 and the sum of my digit is 7. So that is 52. I am just before 40. So which number comes before 40? Yes, 39. Add 5 to me and you will get 24. So which number it will be? Yes, 24 minus 5 is 19. I am just after 35. Which number comes after 35? Yes, it's 36. Next one, reduce 8 from me and 14 will be left. So which number is it? If you reduce 8 from me, you will get 22. So what you have to do? You can add 8 with 14. So you will get the number. 8 plus 14 is 22. Next one. 6 matchsticks are used to make a 0. Can you make any other number by shifting a single matchstick? So here you can shift only a single matchstick and you can make another number. So which one would you like to move? Yes, if you move one stick from here, if you move it from here, you can make it 9. So the answer is 9. Next question is, find out the missing piece and complete the pot. So that cat broke the pot, it seems, and now you have to find out the missing piece. So which one is the missing piece? Yes, it's marked here. That is the missing piece. How many times can you subtract 5 from 25? How many times you can subtract? Yes, only once. Only one time. After that, the number becomes 20, not 25. So next one. Ranu has 3 seats. She wants to place them on any 3 numbers of the given chart in such a way that the sum of those numbers will be 17. Can you help Ranu in finding the numbers? Yes. So which numbers she can use to get a total of 17? Yes, 9 plus 6 plus 2 is 17. Then 8 plus 7 plus 2 is 17. Then 16 plus 1 plus 0 is 17. In how many ways did you do it? Yes, we did it in 3 ways. If you have 2 seats, which numbers will you place them to get a total of 17? So here also we can use different combinations. One is 16 plus 1 is 17, then 15 plus 2 is 17, 13 plus 4 is 17, 12 plus 5 is 17, 10 plus 7 is 17, 9 plus 8 is 17, then 17 plus 0 is 17. Next one, O. Encircle the identical shadow image. So which one is the identical one to the given in the picture? So the fourth one is the identical one. Write the numbers from 5 to 9 in the card given below such that the row and the column have the same total. So here we have to fill the numbers from 5 to 9 in the boxes. But there is a rule, the sum of the row and the sum of the column must be same. So let's think carefully and write the numbers. Next one, find the sender number. Try to get the sender number by doing addition or subtraction. So we need to find how the sender number is formed. Look at the first figure. First one is 7 minus 1 is 6 and 3 plus 3 is also 6. So the center number is 6. That means the rule is perform the operations on the sides and they give the center number. Now apply the same idea to the next figures. For the second one it is the center number is 11 and the third one it is 15. So we just have to follow the pattern and fill the numbers. Now last one is write down the correct numbers in the circle. So we have to complete this circle. The center number is 15. Each pair of numbers around the circle adds up to 15. So we have to fill the missing numbers one by one. The answers are given here. You can go through that. Next one, Sarita has 4 coins of different values. What is the minimum number of coins used to spend exactly 40 rupees 49? So we need to think smartly here. We need to use the least number of coins. So we should always pick the highest value coins first. What is the highest value coin here? 10 rupee. So we will take 4 10 rupee coins. 4 10 rupee coins makes 40 rupees. Now how many left? 9 rupees. So we will add 1 5 rupee coins. So that becomes 45. Next 2 rupee coin. We will take 1 2 rupee coin. So 45 plus 2 is 47. And what is the last coin left? 1 rupee coin. So how many coins we can use? Yes, we can use 2 coins of 1 rupees. So 47 plus 2 is 49. That's how we got 49. That makes a total of how many coins? 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. 4, 5, 6 plus 2, 8 coins. Next one, find out the value of orange. So let's solve step by step. We are given melon plus melon. So 2 watermelons. Price is 8 rupees. So 1 watermelon equals 4 rupees. Now look at the next line. 1 orange plus 1 melon, that's equal to 10 rupees. So we already know that 1 melon is 4 rupees. So orange plus 4 is equal to 10. Orange, so 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So the value of orange is 6. Now last one is ball game. Choose 3 balls in such a way that their sum will be 15. So it is not possible to get a sum of 15 using any of the 3 balls from the group. Next one, choose 3 balls to get a maximum score. So what is the maximum score we can get from here? Yes, 18. So to get 18, we have to use 4 plus 6 plus 8. Next one, choose 3 balls to get a minimum score. So minimum score will be 12. So we can use the numbers 2 plus 4 plus 6. That will give 12. So here to get the maximum, we choose the biggest numbers 8 plus 6 plus 4. And to find the minimum sum, we use the numbers 2 plus 4 plus 6. Great job kids, you did an amazing job solving all these puzzles today. I hope you enjoyed thinking, learning and challenging your brain. Remember, puzzles make us smarter and help us think in different ways. So keep practicing and keep exploring new challenges every day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more fun learning videos. See you soon with another exciting video. Bye bye.